All right, guys, we are now working on math. We are in lesson 8-4. We're going to watch the video, look through your reteaching and your practice workbook. We're going to do 5 minutes of BTBF addition and or subtraction. If you guys are getting super good at it, I know some of you guys are working on the multiplication and or division. It's totally up to you. I just want it so that you guys can add and subtract very easily. If I asked you what's 9 plus 7, you would know right away what the answer is. If I said what's 16 minus 4, you know right away what the answer is. I want you to get really good at your basic math facts. All right, let's go ahead and move on to our lesson 8-4. What you're going to do is you're going to go to Google Classroom, click on your waffle, scroll all the way down to you hit Savvis Easy Bridge. Savvis Easy Bridge. Open that up. Oh, I forgot something. I had to tell you guys something. Okay, let's do that now. All right, guys, we are entering into a contest. Sorry, I totally forgot until right now. We are entering a contest, guys. And in this contest, I am trying to win you guys. I want to see your reactions, actually. All right, so I totally forgot about this. So I am trying to win you guys some fun little poppets and some squishies. Let me see if I can find where it is. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to go to this website that I just linked to you guys. All right. So vote every day to win poppets and squishies. Now, all you need to do is vote. You do not need to donate. Do not donate any money. There needs to be no money given because this company is going to pay for all of it if we win, okay? So you do not need to pay for anything. I know there's a donate button. Do not click donate. Do not click donate. Say it with me. Do not click donate. All you're doing is voting. Now, the first time that you create an account, you get 4 votes. After that, you get 1 vote every day. So you guys can ask your parents to vote. You can vote. So like you see, I already created an account, so I just have 1 vote. This is our thing. So social emotional learning loves poppets and squishies. So what I'm asking for is I'm requesting some materials for you guys. And let's see if you could see it. So the most popular items these days are poppets and squishies. These are also great fidget tools for students, and I find them as a great tool for motivation and even focus in class. So that's what I'm asking for. There are a couple more things that I'm requesting, like I'm requesting a shredder because I'm working from home like most of you guys. I don't have anything to shred important documents with. That like for some of the things that belong to you guys, it's confidential, and so they need to be shredded. So instead of me going and taking them to a shredder, it would be nice to have a shredder at home. So you can see all of the things that I'm requesting for in Donors Choose if you guys want. So what you guys need to do is when you're on this link, you're going to click on this red button, not the green. You're going to click on the red button that says vote. And you're going to see that this number is going to go up every time you vote. So right now I'm going to click vote. And it looks like some of you guys already voted because instead of saying 59, it said 57, it says 59. So that's what you're going to do. Every single day you guys are going to vote. Now there's 25 of you in class. If you guys vote 4 times this week, that's going to be 100 votes. And technically you guys are going to get 4 votes the first time you guys create an account. All right. So let me see if I can actually help you guys figure out how to do this. So technically by today, we can have over 100 votes. The teachers with the most votes, this company called Sonic, if you guys ever eat at Sonic, they're the ones that are going to be paying and buying us all of these great things. So if you want an extra vote, if you guys actually download the Sonic app and buy food on the Sonic app, you could get 1 extra vote, but it is a lot of money, so you don't need to do that. And it's just 1 extra vote. So as long as you guys vote every day, then that should be enough. All right, so let me go ahead and show you guys how to vote. And I'm going to record this so that if you guys want to show someone else how to do it, then you can do that too. Like if you guys have siblings at home, all of your siblings, if they have email accounts, can create this. create their accounts, and they get an additional 4 votes too. So it's super cool. And if you guys win, you guys get some pretty neat prizes. All right, so it looks like some of you guys are already there. I'm going to help out Eva because it looks like she's still in Google Classroom. So once you're in Google Classroom and you update your screen, you're going to see that link where it says Limeades for Learning. So Eva, go ahead and click on that link that says Limeades for Learning. Now, once you click that open, you're going to go straight to Miss Park's website, right? But what you need to do is you need to sign in. So you can go to the top, or you can click sign in here, or it's at the top too, and it says sign in. And you guys are going to need to create an account. So what you're going to do is you're going to log in with Google. Oh, wait, if you're new, you're going to have to sign up. I don't know how that works. Okay, and then click on your name, your email address. Oh, I guess it didn't. Okay, almost there. Confirm your email. So click on that red button. And then there you go. Look, now Eva has 4 votes. Now what she's going to do is she's going to go back to the tab for Miss Park. Go back to Google Classroom. So open up this tab that says Google Classroom and then reopen it to find the project that you're looking for. And then now you can scroll down and then you can click on that vote button 4 times. Ta-da! And then see, and then click exit and then see if you have any votes left. So if you have, sometimes you only click it once, so then scroll up. Oh, it says you don't have any votes left. So it'll tell you at the top if you have any votes left. Now, if for some reason you cannot find the link to Miss Parks, okay, what you can do is I'm going to show you another way to do it. So click confirm email, Danica. Yeah, Eli. So if you want to go to it from here, if you cannot, so Eli, go back to Limeades for Learning. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the state. So for some reason, you cannot find Miss Parks. You're going to go to California. I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to do it. Ready? Then for the district, you can put Cerrito, but actually you don't even need to do that. So as long as you put in the state, California, now click on the district. The district's super easy because we're ABC. So we're going to be the first one. So you see that first district, click on that and then scroll down a little bit. All you need to put is California and ABC, and you're going to see Miss Parks' classroom. So scroll down. There it is. So there's Miss Parks, and you'll know because it'll say Toy Story. Click on that. Look, we're almost at 100, guys. How fun is that? And then you have 2 votes. So you're going to click that vote button 2 times. Perfect. There we go. So that's what you guys are going to do to vote. All right. And then remember, after today, when you guys log in, you guys will only be getting 1 vote per day. So let's see. You're going to sign up, Aaron. I'm going to show you guys one more time, and then we're going to move on to math. You're going to click sign up. All right. It looks like most of you guys are good. Okay, Nicholas, click sign up. Nicholas, click sign up. You don't need to put in your email. You're just going to log in with Google. So do you see that G, Nicholas? Click on that G. There's an F for Facebook. Yeah, there you go. And then click on your email address. And if you have more than 1 email address, you can use every email address. Every time you create a new account, you get 4 free votes. And now click confirm email, that red button. All right, now go to voting, click on voting at the top. I'm going to show you guys how to find Miss Park's classroom. And then where it says state, so scroll down a little bit. Okay, now where it says state, click on find California, state, S-T-A-T-E. There you go, find California. and then click on district. You don't even need to put the city because we are the first district because of our district name. So the first one says ABC. That's our district. Okay, and then mine's the Toy Story one, and you can even star it. If you star it, then whenever you log into your account, you don't have to do all of that, but click on it. Click on that, Nicholas. You're gonna open it up. Click on the picture or click on social emotional learning loves poppets and ... You're gonna click on that photo or that word, and it should open up the link so you can vote, Nicholas. Okay, and then click on that red button, vote 3 times or 4 times, whatever way. Okay, I'm gonna have one more person. So what you need to do is you need to sign in, Russell. So click on that blue button up there where it says sign in, sign up. Okay, now you're gonna click login with Google. Okay, this is the last time I'm showing. If you guys need help, I'll show you guys after math because we got to do math after this. Click on your name. Now, I don't know how many votes we need to win. So that's the only downside. I don't know how many votes. So we're going to just try our best and get as many votes as possible. We might need 500 votes. We might need 1,000 votes, but it's okay. We're going to just try our best. We have 2 weeks technically. Okay, now you're going to click go to, now you can go back to, you can actually go back to Google Classroom. And because you're logged in, so go to Google Classroom. Because you're logged in, it's gonna automatically, so go to stream. It'll automatically take you there. And since you're signed in, click show. Click on that. And then it should already give you your votes already. See, and then scroll down. And then see your votes already there. So click on that vote button 4 times. Not the donate, sorry, red. Yeah, no donations needed because this company is going to pay for everything. So even if your parents are like, oh, well, I want to donate $1. Nope, you don't need to because the company will pay for every single cent if we win. So we're going to try and win first. All right. All right, guys, if you guys still need more help with this, I will help you guys after class. Let's move on to math. All right, guys. I know, so exciting, right? I hope we win. Let's see. I was at 59 today, but because you guys are all voting, we're at 115. You guys are doing a great job. All right, guys. What I'm going to do now is I am going to move on to our math time. Sorry. So we are in Savvis, Envision Math, California, Common Core Grade 2. You're going to click on that link. And then we're on 8-4. So I'm going to click on my little froggy. I'm going to go to topic 8, lesson 4. Models for adding 2-digit numbers.
Let's add. 37 plus 19 equals. How do both work mats show the numbers that are added? They both show 37, or 3 10s and 7 1s. Then they both show 19, or 1 10 and 9 1s. All the 1s cubes are combined. Add the 1s. 7 1s plus 9 1s equals 16 1s. How many tens and
ones are on the mat? There are 4 tens and 16 ones. Can you write the sum of 37 plus 19 yet? Why or why not? No, you cannot write 16 ones in the sum. You have to regroup 10 ones as 1 10. There are 16 ones. How can you regroup the 16 ones? Regroup 16 ones as 1 10 and 6 ones. Now, how many tens and ones are there? There are 5 tens and 6 ones. What number do you write in the sum for the ones column? You write 6 ones. Where do you write the 1 10 that is regrouped? You write it in the small box in the tens column. Write 1 to show 1 10. Add the tens. 3 tens plus 1 10 equals 4 tens. 4 tens plus 1 10 equals 5 tens. What number do you write in the sum of the tens column? Write 5 to show 5 tens. What is the sum of 37 and 19? The sum is 56. That's the sum of both the tens and ones column. Before you add, how can you tell if you will need to regroup? You see if the numbers in the ones column add to 10 or more. You can now add two-digit numbers using models.
All right, so let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to spend, because we spent a lot of time talking about how to do the Limeades for Learning. If you you guys can do the reteaching and the practice on your own. If you guys have questions, you can let me know. I'm going to spend a long time on your digital quick check today. So let's go ahead and work on it together. So you guys are going to go to home page to find that. Okay, I'm going to be using those Unifix cubes again.
Use connecting cubes and a work mat. Add.
Okay, so we got 24 plus 28. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use those Unifix cubes that we used last time by going to Miss Park's website. I'm going to click on online resources at the top. I'm going to scroll down to our math manipulatives. Remember, there's a lot of great math manipulatives you guys can use. I'm going to be using this one for today. Now, if you would like to follow along with me, let me just put it in the chat. All right, so here we are. We are on 24 plus 28. So I'm going to follow along. And for 24, I am going to make a group of 10 for 24. I'm actually going to write this. 24. Ooh, let's see. What's the best place to put this all? Okay. The question was 24 plus 28, right? There we go. 24 plus 28. So I'm writing that on my work mat. We know that this is the tens place. And then we have the ones place. And then if we need to, we're going to have to regroup, and the regrouping will go here. But we're not sure yet. So the first thing we need to do is we need to write the first number, 24. So I am going to make 24 with all my reds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops. Ugh. Ugh. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's my first 10. I need to make 2 10s to make 24. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have 20. And then now I need to make my ones. And in my ones, I have 4 reds. Okay. Now I'm going to make 28. I'm going to use yellow to make 28. Now I need to make 2 10s to make the 20 for my yellows. Okay, so there's 1 10. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm doing bad things. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I made 1 10. Now I need to make my second 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So okay, there we go. So we made 2 10s. Now, how many ones do we need to make for our yellows? 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 24 red plus 28 yellow. So what is the first thing we need to do? We are going to count how many ones we have. If we have more than 10 ones, we're going to need to regroup. So let's count how many we have. Ready? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 ones in total. We've got 12 ones. Is that more than 10? Yes. So do we need to regroup? Yes. What we're going to do is we're going to move that 1 10 into the tens place. And then we're only going to have 2 ones left over. What is that going to look like? Okay, let's go ahead and move these around. Ready? Oh no. Oh man, I just erased everything. All right, so I'm going to have to do it another way. So we had 24 plus 28, correct? Let's do it on here. That was no fun. So we got 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we had 28. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we counted 12. So we can make 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then this is going to turn into another 10. And then we're going to have 2 left over. So we're going to add 1 10 here. And then we're going to have 2 left over here. That's going to make our 4 plus 8, which equals 12. Okay. All right. Sounds good, Ava. Now you're going to add how many 10s we have left. So how many 10s do you guys see here? We just added 1. We had 2 of the reds originally, and we had 2 of the greens. So how many do we have all together? Type it in the chat, guys. Very good, Ray. 5 is the correct answer. So what is 24 plus 28? Type it in the chat. 52 is correct. I know those Unifix cubes are nice because it's easier to visually see what we're doing, but that was no fun to get it erased. So let's just do it on here on our work mat. All right. 35 plus 28. How many 10s are in 35? Can you type it in the chat? How many 10s are in 35? Three. Thank you, Kayla. 1, 2, 3. How many ones are in the number 35? Thank you, Ava. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How many 10s are in the number 28? 2. Very good. How many ones are in the number 28? 8. Very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the first thing we are going to do is step 1, add the ones. We need to add up 5 plus 8. What is 5 plus 8, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer is 13. So we have 13 ones. Now, do we need to regroup 13 ones? Yes. We need to put the 1 up here, and then we need to put the 3 down here. All right. So what is that going to look like in our picture? We are going to take 10 of these. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to take 10 of these. And then they're going to move over and they're going to become a 10. Okay. So how many do we have left over? 3, which is why we put the 3 here. Now we need to add up all of these 10s. We had 3 reds and 2 greens, and then we just added an extra 1. So what is 1 plus 3 plus 2? Count all of these up. How many do we see here? How many 10s are there? Very good, Ava. The answer is 6. So what is your final answer, boys and girls? Very good. 63 is correct. Okay, question number 3.
Use connecting cubes and a work mat. Add.
42. How many 10s are in 42? 4. Very good. How many ones? 2. How many 10s are in 27? Let's do that in green. Very good. 2. How many ones? Very good. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Step 1 is add the ones. Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Uh-oh. There's only 9. So if there's only 9, can we regroup? No. So all you need to do is drop the 9 down here. So it'll just stay as a 9. There's no regrouping needed. So let's just add up these 10s now. What is 4 plus 2? Very good. 6. So our final answer would be 69. All right. Question number 4. 2 more.
Use connecting cubes and a work mat. Add.
So how many 10s are in 29? Ooh. 2. And then how many ones? Very good. 9. Now we're going to add up 33. How many 10s are in 33? 3. And then how many ones? 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3. So by just looking at this, if we were looking at this as a 10 frame, we know that we're going to need to regroup because we just filled in a 10 frame right here, right? So let's just do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 9 plus 3 would equal 12. We know we need to regroup 12 because here would make a 10. So this is going to transfer over, and they're old enough now to join the tens club. So how many do we have left over? Just 2. And then how many tens are in the tens club now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because we had to regroup. One of those tens got to join here. And then we're adding 1 plus 2 plus 3, which equals 6. So your answer is 62. If you guys need more help, you guys can, or if I'm going too fast, you can rewatch this video, okay?
Use connecting cubes and a work mat. Add.
So we got 29. So how many tens are in 29? How many ones are in 29? Very good, 9. Now, how many tens? 1 second, guys. How many tens are in 44? I don't have enough space, so I'll do it over here. 4. And then how many ones are in 44? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 second, guys. All right. So now let's add up 9 plus 4. What is 9 plus 4? So we know we just filled up a 10, and then there's 3 extra. So it should be 13, but let's just count on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, 9 plus 4 does equal 13. We are going to need to regroup. So let's go ahead and draw that out. We know that this much right here makes a 10. So they're going to regroup and they're going to become a 10, which means we need to add 1 to our tens place. Now here, how many leftover do we have? How many leftover ones didn't make it to the tens? 3, very good. So 9 plus 4 equals 13, which means, which means you're redoing, you're regrouping the 1, and then the 3 is dropped down here because we have 3 left over. Now, how many tens do we have left? So we had 1 that we added, 2 from the red, and 4 from the green. So let's count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 equals 7. So your final answer would be B, 73. All right. So that is it for math. Okay. Now, I know we did talk about a few things today. So make sure you guys do your digital quick check. Do your reteaching and your practice if you have time. I'm going to make it so that you guys cannot annotate my screen right now. Okay. And then you guys have your 5 minutes of BTBF addition and or subtraction. I want everyone to come back at 12:45 so we can at least discuss what we're looking at for science. Okay. We're just going to do a little bit of a check-in. All right. All right, guys. I believe that is it. I will see you, my ELD students, at 12. Everyone else, you guys are going to be doing read theory and online resources during that time. And then everybody, I will see you guys back here at 12:45. We're just going to do a quick check-in. It's not going to be for very long. All right, guys.